Americano, Americana. Brasileiro, quasi.
Mas não sei falar, não sou daqui.
Brasileira. Porto is a port. Porta is a door. Largato is a lizard. Largata is a caterpillar. Cavallo is a horse. Cavala is a mackerel. Preso is a prisoner. Presa is prey. Capo is a cover for a motor. Capa is a cape, cover, or case, maybe for like headphones or something small. Músico is a musician. Musica is a female musician. It's also music, and it's also a song. So, a música da música tocou a música could mean the song's female musician plays music, or the music's song plays the female musician. Ceja is a mountain range, or a saw. The verb cejar does not mean to mountain range, but it does mean to saw. The verb bater literally means to hit. You can bater drums. You could bater a person. Two cars can bater each other. Bater volta means to take a day trip. Bater voto doesn't mean anything, but if you translate it, it'd be to hit, I return. Sounds like an abusive relationship. Bater papo means to have a conversation. Bater papa would probably get you in trouble with the Catholic Church. I normally use the word depois when I want to tell a story and I want to progress a story by saying and then or depois, but you can also say após or just pos, and all three of them mean the same thing. There are many uses of the sound a in Portuguese, at least 5. A is the feminine article for nouns, and it also means to or sometimes by. For example, a mãe foi a pé. The mom went by foot. There's also a with the accent like this, and that is an accent to tell you where the emphasis is going to be in the sound. For example, a agua está fría. The water is cold. Then you have a with the accent going the other way, and this is when you have the words to the, and the is a feminine article. For example, hoje à noite iremos à praia. Tonight we're going to the beach. Then you have a that's spelled with an H and an accent over the A, and this is the third person conjugation of the verb haber. Há quantos anos não te via? It's been a long time since I've seen you. And the fifth a is spelled AH, and this is usually an exclamation. For example, if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, I'll say, ah, que noticia maravillosa. Ah, what wonderful news. Thank you for subscribing. When I was learning Mandarin Chinese, the hardest part for me were the tones. Understanding that different inflections or intonations change the meaning of the word. They don't just describe emotion. Brazilian Portuguese has a little bit of this as well. For example, é bom means it's good. É bom means it's alright. Or, porra, esse cara é demais. This guy is too much, but like in a negative sense. Or, porra, esse cara é demais means wow. This dude is awesome. So what did you think of this list? Do you have any to add? Feel free to add them in the comments below. Some words that you've come across that have more than one meaning, or the gender thing where if you change the gender of the word, it changes the meaning. Those are always lots of fun. Go ahead and put all those down in the comments below. Remember to like the video. Don't forget to share it with everybody you've ever met in your entire life. And watch one of these videos now that this video is ending, and hit that subscribe button right there. If you didn't do it earlier when I said that was good news, it would have been good news, but it can still be good news now if you hit that subscribe button. All right, see you guys in the next video.